Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best enzyme drain cleaners in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Roebic Septic Tank Treatment Enzymes. Roebic Septic Tank Treatment Enzymes are an all-in-one septic tank maintenance solution. Each POC contains a powerful blend of bacteria and enzymes that are designed to break down solid waste and help reduce septic system backups. The easy-to-use packs are designed to be added directly to the toilet bowl once a month for 3 months. They help reduce odors, keep septic tanks running smoothly, and prevent costly repairs. Each 3.2-ounce POC contains enough bacteria and enzymes to treat up to a 1,500-gallon tank. With Roebic Septic Tank Treatment Enzymes, you can maintain your tank and avoid costly repairs. Pros: enzymes help break down solids to prevent septic tank backups. 3-month supply of Septi packs for convenience and easy application. 3.2-ounce packs make it easy to measure the correct amount for the septic tank. Cons: not suitable for treating root invasion or other septic system problems. Not available in larger sizes for larger septic tanks. Not suitable for septic systems with high levels of wastewater. Number 2. Our second best pick is Amazon Commercial Multi-Purpose Enzyme Cleaner. The Amazon Commercial Multi-Purpose Enzyme Cleaner is the perfect all-in-one cleaning solution for your home or business. This powerful cleaner uses enzymes to break down tough grease, grime, dirt, and other organic matter. Its powerful formula is safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including tile, grout, ceramic, stainless steel, and more. This 1-gallon container comes with 1 pack, making it perfect for large areas that need deep cleaning. The environmentally friendly formula is also biodegradable and has a fresh citrus scent. It's non-toxic and non-pros. Contains powerful enzymes to break down tough stains and odors. Non-toxic and biodegradable. Versatile and safe for use on multiple surfaces. Can be used for both pre-treatment and spot cleaning. Concentrated formula for economical use. Cons: not suitable for use on fabrics or upholstery. Not effective on hard water stains or mineral deposits. May not be suitable for use on certain types of surfaces. Number 3. Our third best pick is Roebic K 37 Q Septic Tank Treatment removes clogs. Roebic K 37 Q Septic Tank Treatment is the perfect solution for all your septic tank clog and odor problems. This powerful treatment contains environmentally friendly bacteria enzymes that safely break down the solid clogs in your tank, while eliminating odors. It works for up to 1 year, so you don't have to worry about frequent treatments. With 32 fluid ounces, you can easily treat up to a 1,000-gallon tank. Plus, Roebic K 37 Q Septic Tank Treatment is safe for toilets, so you can use it without fear of damaging your plumbing system. Make sure your septic tank is running smoothly with Roebic K 37 Q Septic Tank Treatment. Pros: removes clogs quickly and effectively. Contains environmentally friendly bacteria and enzymes. Safe for toilets and other septic systems. Works for up to 1 year. Comes in a large 32 fluid ounces bottle. Cons: may not be effective in certain tank types. Can be expensive for some users. May not be effective in extreme temperature climates. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ZEP DC16 Drain Care Build-Up Remover Powder. ZEP DC16 Drain Care Build-Up Remover Powder is perfect for preventing and removing tough clogs in your drains. This powder is specially formulated to dissolve grease, hair, soap scum, and other debris that can clog and slow down your drains. It also helps to reduce odors and prevent future clogs. The 18-ounce container is perfect for larger drains and provides up to 16 treatments. Easy to use, simply pour 1 scoop of the powder into slow or clogged drains, wait 15 minutes, and then flush with hot water. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing ZEP DC16 Drain Care Build-Up Remover Powder is keeping your drains clear and free from clogs. Pros: quick and easy to use. Non-corrosive and safe for septic tanks. Effective at breaking down drain buildup. Economical. Cons: not safe for use with aluminum or galvanized pipes. May not be effective at removing larger clogs. Can only be used in septic tanks, not all types of plumbing systems. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Drain Scrub Powder Enzyme Drain Cleaner and Septic Treatment. Say goodbye to clogged drains with Drain Scrub Powder Enzyme Drain Cleaner and Septic Treatment. This revolutionary product utilizes environmentally friendly bacteria to unclog and deodorize pipes, without the use of harsh chemicals. With its bioenzymatic action, Drain Scrub breaks down organic waste, grease, fats, oil, and other debris that can build up in your drains and septic tanks. Using a patented blend of naturally occurring bacteria, Drain Scrub is an effective and safe alternative to traditional drain cleaners. It is easy to use and can be used on all types of pipes, septic tanks, and grease traps. Make Drain Scrub your go-to choice for all of your drain cleaning needs. Pros: environmentally friendly. Unclogs and deodorizes pipes. Contains bacteria to break down organic material. Cons: can be messy to use. May require multiple applications to be effective. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.